All right. Mikey writes, I finished my first season racing at East Coast Watercross, and I want to get into P1. What kind of off-season training routine do you have to keep your body ready for the punishment? I do CrossFit right now.
CrossFit's a great training format for P1. We do similar. I don't actually go to a CrossFit, but I have a trainer that I work with full time, and we do very similar type of training to CrossFit. It's the biggest thing is for watercraft racing or any type of racing, whether it be motocross, snowmobiles, anything. You don't need a ton of weights. You don't need a ton of upper body, big muscular walking around where you can't scratch your back or move. The biggest thing I can tell you is, do all your movements. Try to exercise as much you can with CrossFit style workouts, whether it be that type of gym or your own program, and try to keep the weight low so you don't get too big, because the problem is you get arm pumped. The longer when you race, you start getting pumped up and the blood doesn't flow. Your hands go to sleep. And work on your cardio, man. Cardio and stretching. The biggest thing is the older I've gotten, and I wish when I was young, people used to tell me all the time, you got to stretch more, you got to stretch. And I didn't listen. And my sons, they still don't listen now. I tell them to stretch after every race. They don't. And then, they're going to be tight later down the road. And stretching is the biggest thing, man. And as much as anything, I would love to go back and just stretch as much as I worked out.
Yeah. Yeah. Well, I heard flexibility, that's keeping your knees and your tendons
Stretching.
Strong.
Absolutely. Yeah. And then, the biggest thing is just watching your diet and routine, and, just keeping yourself a routine. The biggest thing is, he's asking about what he should put his body through, staying on a steady regiment, all the way through, not, a week or two before your race, keeping a steady routine, whether it be 3, 4, 5 days a week, whatever you got time for, but doing it every week, continuous, whether it be the same time. Try to set a routine so you get your mind into that, because it's very similar to what you do in racing. You got to do, You got to show all the time, not when you can. You got to do it on a set routine.
Very good. Very good. And start every day with a bowl full of Skittles.
That's it. You can't go wrong there. Some Lucky Charms.
Hey, guys. Thanks for hanging out. This clip was taken from our weekly podcast that we record here every Sunday night at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you want to watch the whole video, you can go to the Watercraft Journal's YouTube channel, go to playlists, and then click on live sessions. You're going to see it there. Otherwise, go ahead and leave a like, a comment, and definitely subscribe to the channel. It helps us grow. And again, thanks again for watching our videos, and we hope to see you soon.